just doing a bit of a video and a bit of a look at where things go. The pipes might be useful, this, for anyone that's stripping one. So you've got this little unit here that adjusts the air mixture. These servos open up, open and close, and adjusts the air mixture on the carbs. Excuse me. Very tight. It's all very tight. So I'll be able to go back to this little video I've just made and hopefully see where things go. We'll just shine a bit of light on the subject as well. So them carbs, I ultrasonic cleaned them before I built the bike back up. They were gleaming when I did them. They're a little bit grubby now. So yeah, I'll start by undoing them cables. That in itself's a pain in the backside, as you'll know if anyone's done them. And then I'll undo the pipes. And I'll go around the other side. Go around this side and have a look. See what's round here. So down there, that fuel pipe, there's internal filters in them. That's a lot of the time that can be the problem when these bikes run like a bag of spanners. Because the tanks are that old, the filters fail in the tank, and they've got internal filters in the side of the carbs, and what happens is they get blocked up. So they start running on one cylinder, or running very poor. So you've got to get them little filters out and make sure you give them a good clean. Got those carbs removed, and I've also got the head removed. So you can see in there, one's oily, one isn't. The one that isn't is the one that's where it's leaked into. This is a gasket, and you can see where it's failed. So that was from Yambits. Not very good. It's not a good gasket. These metal gaskets, I think they're crap. I just don't rate them at all. Anyway, that's the problem, so I'm going to get another one and put it back together. Anyway, I hope this video helps someone. If not for diagnosis, then for people that can have a look around the bike, you see where bits and bobs go. There's lots of pipes and bits and bobs on these bikes, and if you don't know where they go, you're going to struggle when you're putting them back together. So in a nutshell, problem with the bike, didn't want to start. When it did start, it would fire only a few times. It struggled to run. Wasn't very good at all. I thought it possibly had shit in the carb, so that was something that I was going to take a look at first. Went to strip the carb down, and water was coming out the front of the carbs. Obviously the carbs are low down on these, so there was water started to come out the front. That wasn't a good sign. After that, I also realised there was pressure in the rad cap, so another sign, not very good sign. So I thought, it could only be one thing, and that would be the head gasket, which, as we've just found out by stripping it all down, that is exactly what it is. So I hope this video helps someone, if not to diagnose the fault, to diagnose a problem with a bike, also to show people the engine really, so you can have a look around and see where bits and bobs go. Anyway, I'm going to wrap it up there. That's enough for this video. Don't forget to check out my other videos, and if you've not subscribed already, don't forget to subscribe to see my future videos. I've got some really interesting videos coming soon, especially when we go to Oliver's Mount Racing. I have actually got David Jackson. He's going to race my SRAD, my GSXR 750 in the classic superbikes as well, if I get it finished. So I best get off and get some more work done on that bike. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later.